Hello again. So I'm back with another video, and this time I'm actually going to do the one that I told you guys about that would have taken 2 hours. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So let's begin. Right, Truth Advanced Moisturizing Cream. Now we know Trinidad is a very hot place. Right now it is 29 degrees Celsius. It's a bit overcast, but we still have to moisturize though. We still have to treat the skin properly to get the results we're looking for. Right, and the thing is, I mean, it's expensive, but trust me, a little goes a long way, and you smell like an orange. If you don't like citrusy stuff, then I don't know what to tell you, but this is so good. It definitely keeps me moisturized, my skin looking moist. Most people don't like that word, but my skin does look well hydrated and nourished and all of that good stuff. I'm gonna get cracking with my brows. These semi non-existent buddies over here. This brush is from Color. I have it a very long time. Like, this was my first angle brush ever, and I still have it in the shade dark brown, and y'all know the deal. Stencil. It's currently raining outside. Now that one side is filled, let me do the other off camera, and I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna be right back. Now we can move on to my eyes. This look that I'm going to recreate, it's by a MUA called I zoomed in on the picture so much that I can't see. Okay, I'm pretty sure I saved the picture, but I found this on Instagram and I was like, damn, she's bad. Her name is Fatima Muxia. And I think she is mad dope, you guys. Like, look at her work. I mean, and it's one of them I'm going to do. I know based on COVID, there has not been any proms, any grad balls. In the Caribbean, we know it has graduation ball, right? I think internationally is known as prom. So either way, the class of 2020 wasn't able to have any due to COVID-19. But I still wanted to do some really inspirational looks in case, because some people was actually like wearing on their prom dresses, or what would have been their prom dresses, or they were dressing up had they been graduating. And I think that was really inspiring despite what was going on. You know, they still tried to make it their own, still try to make it something, and I thought that was beautiful, amazing, and I just wanted to provide the inspiration. I think in the month of July, most graduations would have taken place within Trinidad and Tobago, and even though I am mad late, I'm currently recording this on the 22nd. Even though I'm mad late, I still say, you know what, I would like to do 1 or 2 looks of inspiration for prom/grad ball. So that is what this look is going to be as well. It's a gorgeous olive green look, and it's gonna have gold in it. I definitely want to add glitter, because I swear it's like prom is not prom. I should say grad ball is not grad ball in Trinidad and Tobago unless there's glitter involved. Rarely you would find the individual that does not want anything as extravagant as that, but most of the time it's glitter. I am going to start first by trying to find the shade of green. I have to use this one and this one. By the way, I think I'm gonna be known on YouTube for hearing dogs and birds, because I'm from the countryside. But definitely dogs. Definitely dogs in my background. I'm going to start by packing in a shade of green. Now I have not decided what shade I'm gonna start with first, but it's gonna be between these two, or a mixture of both, until I really start to see the desired shade. So I zoomed you guys in so you can see. And we're gonna start with the shades in the innermost parts of my eye. I find this green not rich enough. Damn. I think I'm gonna get like a flat brush to help me do that, because I'm gonna deepen it up with a darker shade. Right, so I'm gonna reach into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I really want to deepen this shade of green. It's not supposed to be a forest green. So I'm gonna get this one right here and just put that like as the base to help me get that. Yeah, and we're actually just gonna keep it right there. Sort of mustard yellow from the palette to the top to blend it out. Right? But first I feel like I need to blend. I feel like I need to blend some. I feel like I need to. Wow! Blend the yellow and the green. You're looking at blue. No, that's not the color I was going for. It looks like a tealish blue. I'm gonna get a brighter yellow. Pack that above it. I feel like this is not working out so far, but who knows? We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Just keep blending, just keep blending, 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 blending. So far I look like a crazy person, but whatever, okay? I am going to slay this somehow. Somehow. My neighbor's dog is causing a real scene. I'm now cutting the crease. Right now I'm trying not to breathe or kind of thing, like. It's it's not even supposed to take up the entire upper area of the eye. There's supposed to be space. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is add like a gold shimmery base before I apply glitter. I'm just taking whatever is nearest to me at the moment. Oh my god, a shade fell out, look. What is... right here, and just add it on the lid. That is all. It's just going to be used as a base because I'm going to put glitter. And since all the trial and error is happening on this eye, it's going to be easier to do the next eye. I'll definitely move faster. My Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette has this really nice gold here. And it's kind of like a brassy gold. But we're gonna add that above it. Yeah, we're saying something now. Rain is falling. I think I'm going to do the gel liner first, and then I'm going to add the glitter. Here's my Ingla Gel Liner X Black liquid glitter liner. It's from Ruby Kisses. Yeah. And because it is glue, I'm gonna use it as a base, and then I'm gonna add the loose glitter from City Color, their Sparkle and Shine loose glitter brush to pick up all my glitter to use. Time for me to do the next eye off camera. I will be right back. As both eyes are complete, I am going to zoom you guys back out while I do the rest of the face. Or I think this is close enough for me to do the rest of my face. Look at that patch right there. And the amount of weather change happened in this video, it's crazy. There was sun, it was overcast, rain kept falling, neighbor dog kept barking, so many things. We're looking blended. Let me set the concealed areas. Alright, Dermablend. So I'm gonna lightly conceal it. I don't like to bake. I find the skin is too dry. And as much as Trinidad is hot and you don't want to be looking sweaty and greasy, you don't want to be looking like the Sahara Desert under your eyes. Okay, Radiance. Sides of my face and my 5 head. Let's make it look like a 4 today. The sides of my nose. You can see my blush because I can see my blush. I use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So now I'm gonna try and make my hair look righteous and apply lipstick and lashes, and I'll be right back. So I end up having to settle for a pineapple up top because I did not like the next hairstyle that I did. Either way, I found this olive green top that my brother got me for my birthday, and I put on earrings to help give a complete look. Would you rock this look for prom or graduation ball? Whether you graduated before or you have never graduated or whatever, just let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would definitely wear. I think it is quite dramatic. I feel like this is the most dramatic look I've ever done, but I love it. Bye. I'm not sure if you guys hear that. The way how my stomach. Bye.